In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export source code files from Hostinger Horizons. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Hostinger's main website, where you will see a welcoming introduction about bringing your idea online with a website. Once the page loads, take a moment to become familiar with the layout before you proceed to access your account. You will need to click on the option labeled My Account, which directs you to your personal dashboard on Hostinger. This step serves as your gateway to all the tools and resources available to you. After you have successfully logged into your account, the next phase involves navigating to the Home section of your Hostinger control panel. Look for the Home option on the panel and click it. This area is designed to give you a quick overview of your hosting activities and various available services. Doing this helps you orient yourself on the platform and prepares you for working with your websites. Once you are on the homepage, the next process is focused on managing your websites. You will need to click on the website option. This action brings you into the section where all your hosted websites are listed and accessible. When the page loads, look for further options that allow you to manage these websites effectively. After accessing the website section, locate and click on the website list. This area provides a detailed list of all your websites, ensuring that you can easily identify the one for which you wish to export source code files. It is always helpful to review this list carefully to avoid selecting the wrong site. With the correct website in view, you will now move on to using the set of tools provided by Hostinger. Start by clicking on the Tools option. This section houses various functionalities that assist you in managing, maintaining, and troubleshooting your website. Within this framework, you will have access to both file management and database access features. Begin by clicking on the File Manager to explore the source code files of your website. The File Manager gives you a File Explorer-like interface, making it easier to view, edit, or download the files that make up the structure of your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface as it represents a central hub for your website files. After exploring the files, the process requires you to shift your focus to the database associated with your website. Click on the Databases option to access the database management area. Within this section, identify and click on the MyAdmin tool. This popular database management interface enables you to handle MySQL databases efficiently. When you click on MyAdmin, you will be directed to the login or main panel where you can manage various aspects of your database. Once you have entered the MyAdmin area, click on the button that allows you to enter MyAdmin completely. With MyAdmin open, your next task is to export the database information. To do this, locate the Export option and click on it. Here you will be presented with options to tailor your export settings. Choose the option to change the format to SQL. This ensures that the exported file is in a format that can be easily used for backup or migration. After adjusting the format, click on the Export button to proceed with creating the SQL export file. Finally, click Save to download the file to your computer. This final step concludes the process of exporting your source code files from Hostinger Horizon.